You're too uncomfortable from riding those things.
I'm dehydrated.
Oh, we ate both of those. I ate one. And I'm so full.
Dude, you didn't even eat it all.
And then halfway there, I'm like, I'm hungry. And then Max told me to eat your blizzard. And I'm like, it turned into a drink though. And I'm like, how am I supposed to eat it? And then all I ate was the M&Ms. That's all I ate.
Now we're going into
It was a pain.
Now we're going into now we're going in to play GTA 5
Yeah.
and land on some blimps. Okay, let's do it.
Oh.
Guys, let's get in before we dehydrate out here. I can barely stand again.
What is that?
A cup.
It's a McDonald's cup.